What's up, Reddit? It's Mark Farrell, but you can call me Chef Cooker, and welcome to Math.
It's math. It's math. It's math. It's math. It's math. It's math. It's math. It's math. It's math. It's math. It's math. It's math. It's math. It's math.
Oh, hi there. Welcome to Cooking with Math. Today, we're going to be making something special. Do I know what it is? No. Here's the first thing you're going to need. You're going to get some boiling water and a labelless bottled water, and you just want to take that bad boy out and just put it on the ground. Yeah. Alright, next you're gonna need some pepper. This pepper is really important, right? You're gonna need the pepper.
Oh, hey, Matt, what you doing?
What's up? I'm working on a cooking show.
Wait, is that pepper?
Yeah?
Oh, sniff it. You remember what happened last time you sniffed pepper, right?
But I like the smell of pepper.
Don't sniff the pepper.
But I like the smell of pepper.
But don't sniff the pepper.
You're not my dad!
You are now!
I feel fine. Hey, boo boo. I just don't get. I think I'm gonna sniff. I think I'm gonna Hey. I think it went the pepper makes me sneeze. The pepper makes me sneeze. Sneeze! No! I gotta sneeze! Whoa. That was crazy, RJ.
Yeah.
Oh. I think I'm good now.
Yeah.
So what I meant to say is you take the back...